Today I'm going to show you how to check the tread on your tires. What's going on, guys? So today I want to talk about something very important that you should keep checking in your car, and that's going to be your tread level on your tires. The tread on your tires are actually designed to keep you safe on the road and spread all the water that might be on the road when you're driving through it. So that's going to keep your car stable and again safe on the road. So it's very important that your tires always have a good level of tread. So I'm going to show you two different methods today. The first one is going to be the tread wear bar, and the second one, which is pretty popular, is going to be the penny method. The first one, checking the tread bar on your tires. Every tire sold in the United States, they're actually built with what is called the tread bar. They're actually within the tread of your tires. For example, this one right here, you see it's got a small mark there, and what that indicates, it's the minimum safe level, the minimum safe tread level on your tire. So it's pretty simple to check. It's actually more visual than anything. So just make sure, just get closer to the tire and make sure that the actual tread level is not even with the tread bar. If the tread level is higher than the tread bar, you're still within the safe level for that tire. If the tread level is lower or even with the tread bar, there's obviously time to change the tire. For example, on this one, this is a car that needs new tires, and you can see here, let's get a little bit closer so we can show the tread bars. Just get closer. You see that tread bar in the tread? That's even. You see here as well. You see here as well. The tread of your tire is even with the tread bar. So these tires are done. They're already worn out. You need new tires on this car. As comparison with the Jeep that we show you, the tread of the tires are way higher than the tread bar. So because obviously these tires are new, so they're definitely good. So you see the difference there. You see if the tread bar is even with the tread level of your tires, it's time to change the tires because they're very unsafe. The other method that we have, like I say, it's going to be the penny method, and it's very simple as well. What you have to do is just turn the penny upside down and put it on Lincoln's side, Lincoln's face side, and you're gonna put the penny in the tread. And if you see that Lincoln's head is in the tread, that means that your tread level is good. If, like I say, if Lincoln's head doesn't show, it's because the tread level on your tire is good. On the other hand, and these tires are good, so if we go here and we do the test on these tires, you obviously see Lincoln's head clearly. That means that the tread level is really, really low. So again, time to change your tires. Very important thing to do is always check your four tires, not only one, because they wear out in differently. So you gotta make sure that all four tires are good. Whether you use one method or the other one, make sure you check them regularly, because that's gonna help you stay safe on the road. So we hope that you learned something today. Very simple to do. Either you use the tread wear bar method, or you have a penny laying around in your car, just go ahead and use it. Put it upside down with Lincoln's head facing down. If you see the head, you need your tires. If you don't see the head, you're still in a safe way safe spot with your tires. That's all we had today. We hope that you learned something and you actually use it so you stay safe on the road. Thank you guys.